My name is Hugh Ronworth. I'm the manager of the Regens-Wagner Workshops in Dillingen at the Donau. In the Regens-Wagner Workshops, people with a wide range of disabilities have the opportunity to find a place in working life. The Regens-Wagner Workshops in Dillingen have 25 work areas. The portfolio ranges from service areas such as laundry, a landscape maintenance group, to production groups such as metal processing, chipping and sawmill, to packaging, assembly, but also our book island that sells secondhand books on the internet, and of course, also the file destruction department. My name is Thomas Haselmeier. I am department manager at the Regens-Wagner Workshops in Dillingen, and among other things, I am responsible for the file destruction department. Only paper is shredded in our file destruction department, and we process about 220 tons per year. In contrast to shredding companies in the private sector, our focus is on people with disabilities, whom we offer a meaningful activity by fragmenting the individual materials. After the folders have been dismantled and the individual material components were separated, the pure paper lands on the feed belt and is then transported into the shredder, where it is comminuted into particle size 3, which corresponds to 320 square millimeters. The shredded paper is dropped into a roll-off container and collected by a recycling company. There it is compressed into bales, and then gets delivered to paper mills, where it is recycled back into paper. Our main requirements for the new shredder were that it should be integrated into the stock periphery, that the particle size should be uniformly discharged, and that the shredder should be able to process about 300 kilos of paper per hour during a 6-hour shift. The RS40 from UNTHA meets all the requirements we expected. It is robustly built, insensitive, 100% available, and has a perforated screen that guarantees a uniform particle size. We have found that UNTHA is perfect for our needs. That means that it works faultlessly and reliably. From that point of view, it is exactly the right machine that we are happy to recommend.